हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मेल्टिंग एंड फ्रीजिंग. सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज मेल्टिंग? सो द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम सॉलिड टू लिक्विड at constant temperature, that process is known as melting, right? So transformation from solid to liquid at constant temperature, it is called, that process is called melting. And what is melting point? अगर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट की बात करें, सो दिस टर्म इज रिलेटेड विथ टेम्परेचर. सो द at constant temperature at which the matter are transformed from solid to liquid, the temperature is known as melting point, right? So that's the definition of melting point. Now, yes, from solid to liquid, solid, so we have to keep at constant temperature. So here we are giving heat energy to the solid substance. So heat energy given to the solid substance, and solid substance absorb that energy, and by absorption it will convert it into liquid form, right? Similarly, if we are talking about freezing, freezing is liquid to solid. So at constant temperature, the transformation of matter from liquid to solid, that process is known as freezing. Now here again constant temperature, but here again we have to absorb, we have to release heat energy from liquid. So by releasing heat energy from liquid, it will convert it into solid matter. So that is called freezing process. Here we have given the heat energy to the substance, and here we take heat energy from the substance, and here the transformation is from liquid to solid, right? So if we are talking about water, 0 degree Celsius, so temperature remains constant, and here melting process is taken on. So 0 degree Celsius ice is converted into 0 degree Celsius water. Similarly, freezing, we have both are at same temperature, but here we release heat energy from this water, and it will convert it into ice cubes, right? So that's the simple transformation of solid to liquid, liquid to solid. So that's it for today now. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.